to my channel. So today we are doing things a little bit different. We are doing a clothes haul today, and we are doing it from Pretty Little Thing, BOOHOO, and I even got some shoes from Ego. So yeah, it's going to be a bit different. I can't wait. Let's get started, guys. So we are going to start off with what I'm wearing. So this is one of the items that I got from BOOHOO. So it's just a cute little tee and cycling short set. I really like these cycling shorts because they're not too long, but they're also not too short. So I've got a cute tee and cycling short set from BOOHOO. This is for chilling at home with your bae and you want to, look cute. Or if you're taking a stroll in the park, or if you're out just doing little errands, this is a perfect little set. It's in black, so it's just cute. You can just wear it all the time, so it's fine. And also this little Amberlin headband that I've got on, it's giving me Amberlin vibes. So I just paired it with what I was wearing. You don't have to do this, but I just thought it was cute. This is outfit number 2, guys. This is also from Pretty Little Thing. It's a cute, halter neck top. Well, it's not a halter neck, but it's a cute crop top, and it has the matching skirt. If you have a little tummy, it is going to show it, and I don't really have a lot of space between my torso and my boobs, so it's just taking up all the space. So it looks like a dress as well, but it's still cute. Okay, and I just paired it with these earrings. I still have my Amberlin swag going with this headband, and that is that for this cute fit. I'm going to try it on with some shoes and see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks with mules on. These mules are from Ego. So I think it looks cute. You can have a little lunch date in this. Does it up. Little dinner. Okay, dolls, so this is outfit number 3. I bought everything in size 8. And I think maybe there's one item or so in size 6. But I'm at size 8 to 10 really. So I bought this in a size 8. And I got this outfit from the curve section because obviously you want the curves in the right place. Now when I tell you, I was struggling to put this outfit on. It will hardly go over my foot. So I'll give you my measurements. I'm about 5'2". I would say I'm about 53 kilos, which is probably about 8.5 stones. And I have size 4 feet. And I could not get the leggings on. It was so hard. So anyway, I just figured out I got a hole right here. After I put it on, there's a hole. And this top, when I tell you I had to force it on. So if you're gonna get this 2-piece, you need to get it a size up, okay? It's not going to be for your size. There's no stretch in it. It's not stretchy at all. So it looks stretchy. It's quite nice when you feel it. It's a rib material, but it's just too tight. It's too tight. Let me put it on with some shoes for you so you guys can see. But obviously you can wear these with slides, trainers, take the outfit to the next level. If you're out to lunch with it and you have on slides, keep your heels in the car and you can switch it up and go out with it later. Okay, so dolls, this is the next look. I will call this Holiday Bay because I don't think I'd wear this over here because you can see that it's a bit, see-through. And I am wearing the wrong bra with this. You need a nude bra with this because this black bra is just too much. This 2-piece, it's a unitard and a skirt, and it's so nice. I think this would be so cute at a pool party because you can get it wet. It's that material, so it is all good. But yeah, this is really cute. I'm feeling this. And I paired it with these shoes from Ego. These shoes are banging. As you can tell, I'm in love with mules. It's my thing. I love mules. Okay, dolls. So dolls, this is a dress I got from Pretty Little Thing. When I saw the tulle and the colour, I was sold. I just think it's so girly and flirty. I love it. It has these ruffles on the dress, so I thought this would hide my gut, but you have to suck it in from the side, ladies. Suck it in, or else you're gonna go like that. Okay. But yeah, I really like this dress. It's so cute. So I guess as well, you probably can wear it like this. But I don't like it like this. I think it looks, I don't know, like a bird or something. So like, I'm not really feeling it like that. I prefer it off the shoulder, it's more cuter. Okay? Okay, so I got this dress from BOOHOO. I really loved it when I saw it on the model. I just thought it was so nice. It gave me spring vibes and like high tea vibes. You know, if you're going to have high tea with your babes or your girls, that's what this dress reminded me of. I thought it was so cute. Having it on now, trying it on though, I kind of feel that it makes me look a bit boxy. I don't know. And a bit top heavy, like my boobs look enormous. I'm not sure, but it's cute. The material feels quite nice. It doesn't feel too cheap. It's okay. It's okay. I give it like a 4. I give it like a 4. If I give it a 4, that means that I shouldn't have bought it really. So I guess that's pizzazz because it goes, it's long sleeve and it goes all up to the neck. So that's the only kind of skin it's showing, obviously legs. But yeah, so that's this item. Okay, I really don't know how I feel about this dress. I think there's too much going on. It's like slanted. And then it has this big gaping hole, which is not very flattering on me anyway. This big gaping hole right here. Then it has a long sleeve, but a severely short sleeve, and it's a polo neck. Yeah. So you can't really wear a bra with it either because it comes up quite high. So make sure you have nipple covers. Make sure you have nipple covers, okay? But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna ever wear this dress again, to be honest. It's not one of my faves at all. It looked way better on the model. I think this would probably suit a tall girl better than me. Maybe someone who's more model-less. So this is from Pretty Little Thing, guys. Yeah, it's not that cute at all. Okay, guys, so this outfit is so cute. I feel like a bad bitch in this outfit. It's so nice, but I would say this is another holiday outfit because it's see-through. It is see-through again. It has a cute halo design above the boob area. It's like a camouflage design. It's like greens and like dark greens, forest greens and creams and browns. It's so cute. It has these little strings at the side, so I guess you can tighten it. Pair it with my bad bitch sunglasses. Slay bitch. A bad bitch. Okay, dolls, so this is another item I got from Pretty Little Thing. I feel like I've seen this dress everywhere. It's just a cute long sleeve. Wear it to the park maybe, or to grab something to eat when it's a nice day outside. Nothing special. So this is a next bad bitch piece. This outfit is a midi. Well, I'm quite short, so it might be just below the knee for you taller dolls. But yeah, this is another dress I'd probably wear on holiday because again, it is see-through. Or you can wear it over here. Just put on some black hot pants or like an all-in-one underneath, something like that. It'd be cute. But yeah, I love the colours. Put on this little necklace because obviously all hair's bare. So I've got this little star choker. And I'm loving it with this dress. It looks so cute. Okay, dolls, so this is the next outfit. It's not a two-piece. It's 2 pieces that I got from Pretty Little Thing. It didn't come as a set. This is a black bodysuit and I'm just loving this little detail, and it cinches in a little bit. Well, it's because my trousers are high-waisted, so it cinches in my waist. Yes, I really love this. It's so nice. The material is really nice on this as well. And I guess you can do like different things with it. Like, I don't know, you can wear it like that. So these pants are from Pretty Little Thing. So these are risque as well. So I probably would not wear this outfit out. I'd have a long blazer on top, you know, something to just cover up my bottom half a little bit because it's all see-through down the thighs, down the legs. So this would be way too much. Okay, dolls. Okay, dolls, so this is a cute butterfly bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing. When I saw it, I thought it was a little bit too much, I'm not gonna lie, but I just really loved it. and I love it even more on. I think it is so cute and gorgeous, and I love the color. Yeah, it's a bodysuit. This is in a size 8. It's a high neck as well. So you don't have a high neck, I just feel like it just makes you look more sophisticated when you have a high neck. So I also got these jeans as well from Pretty Little Thing. It makes your booty look so fit. Yes. I'll be wearing the F out of these jeans. I need to go and get some more in another colour. I also got these cute top dolls. This is definitely for the summer. So cute. Barbecues. Yeah, barbecues. This is the top. Definitely the top. You can get a tan while you're out there. Shoulders are exposed. Clavicles exposed. Yep. And I love the colour. You just pair it with some jeans, some cycling shorts. Actually, I'm going to show you it with some cycling shorts because I have some black cycling shorts that I bought as well. So I'm going to show it to you with that on. These are the black cycling shorts that I got because it's summertime. You can just throw in a t-shirt, throw in a little top like this, and you can look cute, super cute throughout the summer. So this is what this top looks like with the cycling shorts. I got these cycling shorts for the summer because you can just pair it with a little t-shirt or a little top, little crop top, or a little cute crop t-shirt and go. Go to the park, walk your dog, go and have brunch. This is cute. And you can wear it with trainers or slides. Another cute bodysuit. I know I got a lot of long sleeve bodysuits, but I just really like how they fit and I just think it looks so nice. This one's really cute as well, and I was just wearing a nude bra with this as well because the black bra is just really showing through. Okay, so this top is like Oriental. It has Chinese writing on it, so hopefully it's not saying anything absurd because obviously I can't read Chinese. But yeah, so I just paired it with blue jeans as well. So blue jeans probably is not the best to pair it with. Maybe if you have black jeans or even white jeans would probably look cute. Yeah, I just can't bother to go find white jeans to show you, but you get the drift. Kind of just threw this together. All 3 of these items are from Pretty Little Thing. This is like a blazer. It's a loose blazer. There's no buttons on it, so it was just kind of hanging. And I'm quite petite, so sometimes things can swallow me. So it didn't really look nice with it just out. So I added this belt, this cute gold chain detailed belt. I added this to the look and I just think it looks so fire. My trousers as well. I really love these trousers. It actually came as a 2-piece, but they didn't have the top when I purchased the trousers, but I still just got the trousers anyway because I thought, yeah, I could wear it with a long blazer like this, but they are see-through as well, so I had to cover it. So this blazer works perfectly, and they're a really thin material, so just make sure you wear them in summer, or if you have a vehicle, to the car, into the restaurant, if that's what you're wearing them to, because they're really, really thin. As I said, they're see-through. So this is the jumpsuit that I got from Pretty Little Thing, and I am loving this jumpsuit. Obviously, you're gonna need some support, okay? You need some support. I just haven't got the right bra right now to wear, but I definitely would wear something with this, otherwise my boobies are gonna probably just expose themselves. So I might put a little, you can put a little safety pin, sew up a little bit, you know the tricks, ladies. But yeah, it's flying a little bit low. But apart from that, I really love this jumpsuit. I think it looks gorgeous. It's one of those jumpsuits that you're wearing out, yeah? Them out jumpsuits, okay? This is them pose jumpsuits, okay? So I paired it with these sunglasses. They're so cool. I think they're so cool, and I love the colour of them. But obviously you don't need to wear sunglasses with this fit, but I think it looks cute. And I think you could wear these with this outfit with trainers as well, if we were still having festivals and stuff like that. But they're having loads of parties in the park, so you could wear this outfit. It's cute. Or it could be a nice dinner outfit if you just cover up a little bit. As you can see, dolls, it's a wrap. The railing is empty. I tried on everything for you guys. I got items from Pretty Little Thing, from BOOHOO, and I got some shoes from Ego, and I showed you guys everything I got. I hope you enjoyed it. It's something new for my channel. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of this, if you enjoyed this. Let me know your favorite outfit, what you didn't like. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next video.